Hello friends, I am Satya and I'm here to provide GATE Aerospace Rocket Propulsion 2007 solution. First one question is the onboard rocket motor of a satellite of initial mass 2000 kilogram. The first we have to given data is initial mass. So we have to write this initial mass is 2000 kilogram and now provide a specific impulse of 280 second and provide given data is specific impulse is 280 second. If this motor is fired to give a speed increment of 500 meter per second, that is we have to given a change in velocity which is 500 meter per second along the direction of motion, and the mass of the propellant consumed is what we have to find in this question is mass of propellant. Now we know that initial mass is equal to propellant mass plus structural mass plus payload mass, and final mass is initial mass minus time of propellant mass. Now using the rocket equation, this is rocket equation where delta v is change in velocity, v is exit velocity, and m naught is initial mass and mf is final mass. Now put this value in place of this. Now we get this, and now we have to put the data what is given in the questions. Now one more thing is here we don't know what is exit velocity, but we know that specific impulse which is ISP is it means thrust per unit weight. Specific impulse is thrust per unit weight of propellant. If mass of the propellant and mass of the air both are same, then mass will cancel out. Thrust is equal to mass flow rate into exit velocity, and weight of propellant, weight is mass into gravitational constant g. So we know that ISP is equal to exit velocity by g. Now we have to replace this exit velocity in terms of ISP into g. But we have to do this specific impulse into g. Put the value, change in velocity is 500 and exit velocity is 280 and gravitational constant is 9.81, and ln is equal to initial mass upon initial mass minus times of propellant mass. Now put this data and solve, and we get the answer. The mass of propellant is 333 kilogram, which is the correct answer. Now answer number is B. Now the next question is, in a rocket engine, the hot gas generated in the combustion chamber exits the nozzle with a mass flow rate of 719 kilogram per second and velocity is 179 meter per second. The area of the nozzle exit section is 0.635 meter square. If the nozzle expansion is optimum, then the thrust produced by the engine is. Now we have to given the data that this is the diagram of a nozzle, and we have to given the exit mass flow rate which is 719 kilogram per second, and the exit velocity 1794 meter per second, and exit area. And we have to given one more condition is nozzle expansion is optimum. What is optimum condition? Optimum condition is exit pressure is equal to ambient pressure. Now we have to calculate the what thrust produced by the engine, which means how much thrust is produced by the engine. The formula of thrust is equal to mass flow rate into exit velocity plus exit pressure minus ambient pressure into exit area. Now according to optimum condition, exit pressure is equal to ambient pressure. It means exit pressure is equal to ambient. These terms are neglected. And now put the value. Mass flow rate is 719 and exit velocity 1794. Now after solving this, we get the correct answer. Now the next question is, the purpose of fuel injection system in the combustor is to accelerate the flow in the combustor, B to increase the stagnation pressure of the fuel air mixture, C to ignite the fuel air mixture, and D to convert the bulk fuel into tiny droplets. So we have to know what is the use of fuel injection system. The use of fuel injection system is to convert the bulk fuel into tiny droplets to make the mixing very easy. So the option is D. And now next question, which one of the following value is nearer to vacuum specific impulse of a rocket engine using a liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen as a propellant? When we are studying about the types of propellants, there are in liquid propellants the term is called as cryogenic propellant. Cryogenic propellant, under which liquid hydrogen is means LH2 and liquid oxygen LO2. Now we have to know that what is the value of specific impulse of this. So it is a theoretical question. The specific impulse of this liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen is 450 second, which is a very theoretical question to know the specific impulse of a propellant. Thank you so much.